Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natasha Naomi, and here on this channel we focus on things such as beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So today I decided to create a skincare routine really for myself because I feel like I finally found a good skincare routine that really works well for my skin. And I have a tendency of like buying new products, trying out new things, and then getting off of my regimen. I don't know why that was so hard for me. Getting off of my regimen. And so, yeah, the first thing I did was I oil cleansed, and I made sure to really give myself a nice massage with my oil. All my products will be linked in the order that I use them down below. Second, here and now, I am using this new rice cleanser that I just started trying maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago. Love it. Absolutely love it. It is an enzyme cleanser it's a powder cleanser. You just add your own water to it to make it as thick or as thin as you would like. And it's a cleanser slash exfoliator, and it's made out of rice. It's like a rice cleanser. It's so lovely. It can be gentle or it can be abrasive depending on how much water you add. So yeah, I really like the way that my skin received this. And even as I'm applying the cleanser, I just feel like my skin is so hydrated right now. I am kind of like wanting to put in some old pictures of what my skin used to look like, just for reference sake. I might just put it on the thumbnail, or I could add some videos at the end. Stay to the end if you want to see how my skin used to look, like lots of acne, terrible acne scars, like really crazy acne scars. So anyways, this is a great routine if you have, more specifically, if you have fungal acne or acne that has to do with yeast levels in the skin and on the scalp. So that's the kind of acne that I have. It took me a really long time to figure that out. I finally seen a dermatologist and they told me that I don't just have regular acne. I am prone to fungal acne, which just means that the yeast that grows on my scalp is more of a yeast infection on the scalp rather than dandruff, actually. So it's so important that I use my dandruff shampoo, because that's actually a medicated formula for fungal acne and yeast infection on the scalp. Now, this is my favorite part of my skincare routine. This right here is so good. It's just food grade rose water and 3 cloves. I got the cloves and the rose water from my local Chinatown in the herbal section of like the Chinatown supermarket. I'm sure almost every state has a Chinatown. So go to your local Chinatown and see if you can find some food grade rose water and some cloves, and you put it into your own little spray bottle. The clove makes the rose water antibacterial, antifungal, and all of that, and then the rose water is just really good for your skin. Now, this is one of my favorite products that I found so far in 2023. It is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Triple Bounce Serum. It's hyaluronic acid with peptides. This is the best hyaluronic acid I've ever used, and I've tried The Ordinary, I've tried some higher brands, and the way that this just sits on my skin and like absorbs into my skin is so lovely. It really gives me that glow, and it penetrates pretty deeply. So this is probably my 3rd bottle so far, and the product really lasts a long time. So if you don't get anything, I really recommend this, because not only is this going to hydrate your skin, but it's also going to allow the next product that you add to penetrate deeper. So you're supposed to pat that in, but I'm just kind of like swiping it across my face to get it all evenly distributed. So yeah, I hope that you guys are enjoying this so far. If you are, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Let me know how you feel about the skincare routine. If you struggle with fungal acne, do you know if you have fungal acne? Based on the pictures at the end, and what's on my neck there is actually, I just break out anyway, honestly. So that's some acne scars that are healing on and around my neck. I have just a little bit of inflammation on that left side of my cheek that ended up actually turning into a really aggressive pimple, and I was able to kind of calm it down. It did leave me with a scar, but I just scar really easily. So if you guys have any recommendations on just even in my body, I was kind of looking into different like supplements to help with the scarring, because even if I get like a scratch, I'll scar. It's just like, I don't know, the way my body is set up is I scar very easily. I bruise very easily too, so that's something I would like to change if I could. Now, the next product I really love and have been using for a couple years now is this Holy Hydration moisturizing cream. And before that, I just started using this Retinol. It's an under eye cream. It's supposed to help with the dark circles that you guys see, which are actually kind of bags. So it's supposed to tighten and smooth. And I like it so far. I like this cream. It was kind of expensive for such a small package, but that's okay. So after I apply that under my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and apply my moisturizer. Granted, my skin is still a little damp from the rose water, and I really do recommend that before you apply any sort of not the rose water, the hyaluronic acid, it's still damp from that. So I am going to apply more rose water and my moisturizer. And I noticed that, I just learned this by the way, that when your products kind of clump up, you'll see how my product kind of clumps up on my face a little bit. It's not that they're not mixing well, it's that my face dried up. And then when you try to put another product on top of that, you just need to add more rose water to blend the two. So anyways, that's what I'm doing here to apply my eye cream, of course. Now, after I apply my moisturizer, I'm going to, like I said, spray my face with the rose water, and then I'm going to apply my Tretinoin. And I got this from my dermatologist, and I was able to get a few bottles at one time. And this stuff is honestly a game changer. I don't know if I would have cleared my acne without the Tretinoin, which is actually a retinol. It's just a medical grade retinol. So yeah, that, and the thing with that is it's going to break you out because it happens in cycles. So it has to like purge. They call it like a Tretinoin purge. So every couple of weeks my skin will break out, and that's just my skin purging. So, but yeah, no, if you can get your hands on some of this medical grade Tretinoin, medical grade retinol, I don't know why there are two different names for the same thing, but it is what it is. I would highly recommend it, and start off at the lowest dosage. I've been actually on this cream for probably 2 years now, and I'm still okay. And you guys can see right here the clumping I was talking about. I'm just gonna rehydrate my face, reactivate those products, and then I should be able to rub them in nice and easily. They should be able to mix. They just needed a little extra moisture added back into my skin. So yeah, but if you can get your hands on this next product and go low and slow with this product, because it is very strong, you can burn yourself very easily, cause a chemical burn to your skin, and I don't wish that upon anybody. I've had plenty of chemical burns on my skin because my skin is so sensitive. So yeah, this is my skin routine, my nighttime skin routine at least. If you guys want to see more like skincare videos, because I have a nighttime skincare routine, I have a nighttime breakout skincare routine, I have like kind of a couple of different routines depending on what my skin needs, and lots more favorite products. But these are just my few favorite products that I use on a regular basis that I absolutely love and have to use at least every day. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video. If you've made it to the end of the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Show me some love. Also, I guess I'll take the time now to say thank you to all of the brands that have been reaching out and sending me stuff. After that first brand deal, it's like my email has been flooded with awesome brands that I've actually always wanted to purchase things from. So now they're reaching out and sending me stuff, and I couldn't be more excited. Shout out to me for being consistent, even though I feel like, I don't know, I can always be doing better. I'm really hard on myself, so I'm just really proud and excited for this YouTube journey of mine, and it's been lovely so far, and it's only up from here. So thank you so much for watching, and comment down below if you guys use any of these products, or if you have any recommendations for hyperpigmentation that to just kind of reduce hyperpigmentation or prevent it from happening. I would absolutely love that for my face and my body. So yes, enjoy the rest of this tutorial, y'all, and I will see y'all in about a week with another video. Ciao. I honestly cannot believe I'm posting this, but super vulnerable moment. This is what my skin looked like after I got off of birth control and after a really terrible chemical peel facial. I will never get another chemical peel ever again. I was able to heal my skin. It took a very, very, very long time. You can tell between June and March. But yeah, so the next clip you're about to see is what my skin looks like in August, which was last month. So my skin has just been making significant progress. I'm very happy with it. Of course, I still have some acne scars to heal and I still break out, but I'm getting better at like discerning what my skin likes and what it doesn't like. And I'll never do another chemical peel because my skin has never looked that bad, even though I've always kind of had acne. So anyways, that is officially the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Also, be nice in the comments because you never know what someone's going through. It took so much for me to, every day, it just took a lot out of me to deal with that type of acne, and like, it was just embarrassing. It was hard. It was difficult. I didn't feel like myself. I didn't feel pretty. So now I'm so happy with where I'm at mentally and physically and skin wise, of course. So if you liked the video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see more skincare products, let me know.